Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So with pumpkin season in full effect, I wanted to share with you a super easy recipe to make homemade pumpkin puree and take all of your pumpkin recipes to the next level. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need one pie pumpkin, also known as a sugar pumpkin. You don't want to use a regular carving pumpkin because they are not as sweet and have a more grainy texture. Not to mention they're a lot bigger, which makes them harder to bake. Let's grab our sharpest knife and we're going to lay our pumpkin on its side and cut the stem right off and slice our pumpkin in half. This definitely requires some elbow grease. Trust me, I worked up a good sweat. Now let's use a spoon and scrape out all the seeds and pulp. Make sure to save your seeds if you would like to roast them later. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like for me to make a video on that. Let's drizzle olive oil on our pumpkin and lay them flat side down on our baking dish. Preheat our oven to 400 degrees and roast for 40 minutes until you can puncture with a fork. Remove all the skin. It should be easy enough to peel with a fork, but be very careful because it's really hot. Place your roasted pumpkin in a blender or food processor and blend until very smooth. Now strain over mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a bowl for a few minutes until all the water has drained. So that's it for this quick recipe. Really simple, but this extra step will make all your pumpkin recipes so much better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It came out absolutely delicious. It's definitely worth a try. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on any recipe you would like to see. Thank you so much again. I'll see you on the next video.